In this video, I'll share with you tips on how you can overcome fear of public speaking. Because if fear is holding you back, then you're not sharing your expertise with the world. I'm Lisa Evans, founder of Speaking Savvy, and I help speakers, coaches, leaders, business owners globally to create powerful presentations with compelling business stories. If you'd like to receive more tips on being a powerful presenter, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, how to overcome fear of public speaking? Well, the bad news is there is no quick fix. It takes time and it takes practice. So you need to be prepared to put in the work. But there are ways that you can manage your fear of public speaking. And in time, with practice, you will become more confident. I can guarantee that, but you've got to get started. So my ABC tips on how you can manage nervousness go like this. First of all, A for accept. So accepting that those feelings that you get when you stand up in front of an audience, which may include the beating heart, the butterflies in the tummy, the shallow breathing, the knocking knees, all those feelings that are not nice, but they are totally normal. It is a physiological response that takes place whenever our brain perceives that we are under threat, whether it's real or otherwise. And if we didn't have that response, then we wouldn't be human. So rather than fight it and trying to make it go away, just remember that it is an autonomous response that we cannot control, but what we can do is we can learn to change our way of thinking. So A for accept that it is normal. Don't try and fight those feelings. B for breathing. So we can't control our heart rate, but we can control our breathing. So adopt a really nice, strong, steady breathing pattern. I talk about the square breathing technique or the 4-6-8 breathing technique. You can find the link to that video below. So control your breathing. Some nice steady breathing will help you to relax. It'll get more oxygen on board, so you will instantly feel better, and it will also be a bit of a distraction for you. And finally, C for change your mindset. So instead of thinking about public speaking as a scary thing, think about speaking as an opportunity to share your message and your wisdom with the world. Every time you speak, it is an opportunity to serve and to share. And think about it as excitement. When we get really excited, our heart races and our breathing speeds up. It's very similar physiologically to how we get when we feel nervous. So think about it as an exciting opportunity. And remember that public speaking is not about you, it's about the audience and how you can serve them with your message. So if you want to become a better speaker, subscribe to my YouTube channel where I will share weekly tips. And if you'd like to get a free download on how you can become a successful speaker by using a simple checklist, then I've also put that link below. I look forward to seeing you on the video next week. Bye for now.